What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. So today's video is freaking awesome. Okay, like if I do say so myself, it turned out fantastic. And we are using the AMREZY palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I am so pleased with the look that I created from this palette. I hope that you are too. And if you want to see how I got this look and the products that I used, then please keep on watching. If you do enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. What's up guys? So I do already have one eye done, as you can see, and it was because I had no idea what kind of eye look I wanted to create. Today I did use the ABH AMREZY palette, and it is such a beautiful palette. I actually just got it and I am obsessed with it. This is what it looks like. And so I did do one eye already, and I'm just going to show you really quick how I achieved this look using this palette. So let's dive right in. So for eye primer today, I did use the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer, and this I just picked up as well. And it kind of reminds me a little bit of the MAC Paint Pot. Not like exactly, obviously, but swirl it around the container and prime the eyelids. This is a lot thicker consistency than the MAC Paint Pot, but I actually like that because I feel like it covers more of like my veins and stuff better. I am just going to take my finger and pat everything down so it's nice and smooth. Obviously don't worry about any of this, like it's all going to be cleaned up, even this here. It's all going to be cleaned up when I do my face makeup. I did go with this purple shade right here first, and I just took a pretty dense brush like this one, and I just dipped into it and literally packed it on the crease. This eye has more creases in it. I hate that. Like this eye definitely has more like lines and creases in my lid than the other eye. So then I just go in circular motions and blend that purple. Circular motions. I feel like when you do circular motions, it blends better than like back and forth. So I went back in with that purple after cutting the crease, and then I just outline that purple line just to make it a little more vibrant. Then I went in here with the shade called Cupcake, and it's such a beautiful shimmer. Then I took the shade Barb right here, which is like this pinky shimmer. Gorgeous. And I took that onto a brush, like a little pencil type brush, and I popped that here. And then I kind of brought it up into like the inner corner, about halfway, just to like give that inner corner a lighter feel. And I did this because I like the way that it looks like light to dark. I just followed like along the crease like that. Going in with colorful colors, I do like to do my eyes first because more times than none you're gonna have fallout on your face. After that, I went in with my Too Faced liquid eyeliner and I'm just gonna create a wing. Then I went in with like a really skinny like eyeliner type brush, lip liner type brush, like this, and just directly onto that brush I put some glitter glue. Then this is like probably the most difficult part for me. It's following right above the liquid eyeliner that I just placed down without putting it on the eyeliner. So here we go. Then I went in with my Better Than Sex mascara. So now I'm going to just stick my lash on really fast. And I'll be right back to do the face. So for our face today, and yes, I already did under here on this eye. Usually I do wait till my whole face is done, but I just wanted to see how the whole kind of eye look came together. Because like I said at the beginning, I wasn't sure what I was doing. So that's why that's there. We'll go in and fix it after. So I'm not worried about it. Today, we're going to be using, I just picked this up as well, and this is the Revolution Glass Skin Primer for an ultimate dewy finish, it says. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging. It's so like sleek. Wow. Okay. So I was not expecting this primer to feel that way. I thought it was going to be more like a jelly, like water-based, but it's definitely more of an oil-based primer. But I'm fine with that because I have dry skin. So I did pick up the NARS Radiant foundation, and this shit is expensive. So I better look like fucking Kim K after this application, okay? All right, so I'm gonna take a few pumps right onto the brush like I always. Hi, hello, there we go. 2, let's do 3. So now I'm just taking my beauty blender and just pushing that foundation into the skin. LA Girl Pro Concealer. Okay, then I'm going to go in with my concealer And today I'm going in with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and it does not have a wand. This is a pump. Never used a concealer without a wand before, so I'm going to use my concealer brush and apply it like so. It's in the shade NC20. And like I said, don't worry, we're gonna go and fix up under this eye because obviously it's gonna get all messed up. I did have makeup on that eye, but we're gonna fix it. So far, I am really enjoying both these new products that I purchased, the NARS and the MAC Pro Longwear. Wow, my skin looks so good. Do you see this? Let's stick with higher end products. I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder. Now I'm going to go with my BareMinerals setting powder and just set my whole face. I'm going to set my face with powder and then go in and just contour with some powder products. And when you don't set your face and you jump in with powder products over like a liquid foundation or anything like that without setting the face, you will get patchiness. You will get like little tiny balls of like, almost looks like bruising because you're just like, you know, you're rubbing all that makeup like pretty much away. So setting the whole face is gonna keep everything nice and blendable, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Like, it's just gonna make it so much easier to blend, and you're not gonna get like ugly like patchiness, and that will happen if you just go directly over like a cream or a liquid. Hi. You're not having my stuff. Oh, she wants my makeup. I'm gonna go in first with my NARS Laguna Bronzer, and I'm just gonna kind of shape my face, use this as a contour. And now I'm just going to blend that out with just like a more dense type brush. Any like brush that is like pretty dense will work. Okay, perfect. And then I'm going to go in with my Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going to coat over all of that contour just to give me a little, like, to warm up the face a little bit.
What is that?
My shimmy shimmy. So now we're going to go in with some highlighter. And today I'm just going to go in with my MAC Hyper Real Glow palette. Now for blush, I'm going to use my Lovecraft Beauty palette, and I'm going to use the shade right here. Oh my god. Oh my god, so I am the biggest ding dong. I didn't do my lower lash line. So for my lower lash line today, I am going to jump in with that purple, the darker purple that we went in with, which is this one right here. And I'm going to take that on a flat brush like this and just put that directly on my waterline, like directly under my waterline. I just want to keep it almost as like a liner. So I don't want to like go in and smoke it out at all. I want to keep it just like that. So I'm not going to smoke it out. That's how I want it today. Then I'm going to go in with a white liner. So I'm going to go with my Man-Eater mascara, and I absolutely love doing my bottom lashes with this, and I think it's just the way that the brush is, like the applicator is, just works the best. I love the Better Than Sex mascara on top, and then the Man-Eater on bottom. It's like a dream team. Really is. It's so good. Alright, so that completes the eyes. Let's just jump in with some of our Morphe setting spray. Alright everybody, this is the finished look, and I'm obsessed. When I first sat down with this palette, I'm like, what am I going to do? What am I going to do with this palette? Like, there's so many options. Like, I was just overwhelmed with like the beauty of this palette, first of all, and like, what am I gonna do to make a gorgeous look with this palette? And I'm so happy with the way I'm just like, I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. If you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this look, please be sure to hit that like button. It helps my channel grow tremendously. So if you have a minute to hit that button, that would be fantastic. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that as well. And yeah, I think that's it. So thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.